Look at the size of that motor.
I want to get his way. Oh my gosh! Did you get it, Scott?
Nene, oggi você
Jacaré.
Swamp Tour por Jacaré. Cuidado, vida, if you fall in, it's Jacaré. Size of that motor.
Maybe 5 of them.
Alligator. Oh my gosh. Get a picture.
The biggest one I ever seen.
Yeah, get back.
Probably about
Get back.
15 foot or so.
You better get back.
So many eggs we collect, we send out to an alligator farm. Did I say this yet?
No?
Okay. Yeah, they'll send us so many back that's raised 3 to 5 foot. I don't know just like you what they are.
Oh, watch out! Watch out! There's that go.
Oh, mute.
What? What are you doing? Oh! Oh my gosh! I can't believe
They
it.
don't bite me, don't bite me.
They don't bite you.
I've been playing with alligators a long time.
Can you tell me how to drive the boat?
Oh.
Yeah. Somebody got to
How
know.
do we get home?
I
Invincible.
only been bitten once.
Oh.
What do you got?
Nope.
What you got?
Nope. Maybe we'll see
Let me
a
tell you. Let me show y'all something right quick. You see where most of these alligators are in the shade right here?
Yep, that's a big one.
That's a big one.
He's like a submarine.
Yeah, catch it. I would guess that alligator's a good 30, 35 years old, give or take a little bit. Probably.
Oh, jeez.
I can't get over there. I don't want to get in his way. Oh my gosh! Did you get it, Scott?
I think so. I think I got it.
Oh, I hope so. I can't get over there. You better get it, hon. You better get it. Wow. Thanks for showing us your smile.
Yes, what?
That's a good one. Gator and a raccoon.
Yep.